Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a bit short because this is going to be a project video. Just like the Mad Libs video, this is going to be about RNG or random number generator. So in this project, you're going to be using the random library and any type of random function you would like to create a game where the computer thinks of a number and the user has a few guesses to guess it. Here's an example. I have r1 equals random.random 1 to 10, which means it'll pick a number from 1 to 10 randomly. Then I have an input and then an if and else statement. The input asks the user to guess a number from 1 to 10. If that input equals r1, then after print, you've guessed it, good job, and then end the code. Or else, if they haven't guessed it, you have to print, sorry, you didn't guess it. Now this code isn't exactly how I want you guys to do it. I want the code to be able to ask multiple questions before ending. In this code, it only shows you how to ask one question and then another question. So yeah, good luck on your project.